latest motorcycle updates, in-depth reviews, and insights from the two-wheeled world. Today's spotlight is on a machine that needs no introduction, the legendary BMW R1250GS, now updated for 2025. The GS is more than just a motorcycle. It's a global phenomenon. From the backroads of Patagonia to the urban grids of Berlin, the R1250GS has become the face of adventure riding. For 2025, BMW hasn't reinvented the wheel, but they've certainly sharpened the spokes. With fresh styling, smarter tech, refined engineering, and even greater capability on and off the road, the new R1250GS keeps its crown, while edging ever closer to perfection. Let's dig into everything the 2025 BMW R1250GS has to offer, and find out why it continues to dominate the ADV world. Evolution, not revolution. What's new for 2025? BMW's approach with the 2025 R1250GS is focused on evolution rather than radical change. The core DNA remains intact. The signature boxer engine, telelever front suspension, and dynamic riding characteristics are all still here. But BMW has taken feedback from riders and reviewers to further polish and modernize the platform. Key highlights for 2025 include revised ergonomics, lighter bodywork, new ride modes, and upgraded electronics that aim to improve both rider confidence and long-distance comfort. BMW has also introduced a few surprises, including fresh connectivity features and new color variants that make the 2025 model stand out in a crowd of adventure bikes. Refined boxer performance, power and engine updates. At the heart of the 2025 BMW R1250GS is the beloved 1254cc Air liquid-cooled boxer twin, still featuring BMW's shift-cam variable valve timing technology. This power plant delivers a healthy 136 horsepower and 143 Nm of torque, peaking low in the rev range to provide that smooth, punchy grunt riders have come to expect. The engine remains a masterpiece of engineering, torquey, refined, and incredibly balanced. However, for 2025, BMW has optimized throttle response in low-speed situations, making the bike easier to manage during technical off-road rides or slow-speed maneuvers in traffic. Riders will also notice a smoother transition between gears, thanks to an updated gearbox with quicker shift actuation. The Shift Assist Pro has been refined as well, allowing for clutchless upshifts and downshifts with less lag and more precision. Fuel economy has also improved slightly, with BMW claiming an average of 50 mpg, giving the R1250GS a solid range of over 250 miles from its 20-liter fuel tank. Chassis, suspension, and handling. When it comes to handling, the 2025 R1250GS continues to prove why it's a benchmark in the adventure segment. The telelever front suspension and paralever rear system provide unbeatable stability, especially under hard braking or while loaded with luggage. For 2025, BMW has fine-tuned the dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment. The new system features auto-leveling, which adjusts preload and damping based on load and terrain in real time. Whether you're riding solo with a passenger or fully loaded for a cross-continent expedition, the GS remains composed, responsive, and incredibly confidence-inspiring. The weight distribution has also been subtly improved through lighter body panels and revised frame geometry, resulting in better off-road agility and a more planted feel at higher speeds. It's still a tall bike, with a seat height starting at 850 mm. But BMW continues to offer adjustable and low-seat options to make it more accessible to a wider range of riders. Advanced riding technology. The 2025 R1250GS is a technological marvel. BMW has doubled down on rider aids and digital functionality, without overwhelming the rider with complexity. The updated 6.5-inch TFT display now features a sharper interface and faster boot-up time. It's fully integrated with BMW's Connected Ride app, offering turn-by-turn navigation, ride tracking, maintenance scheduling, and even real-time weather updates. In terms of rider assistance, the GS now includes updated Ride Modes Pro, with new terrain-specific settings like gravel, rally, and Tour Plus adaptive cruise control, using radar sensors to maintain safe following distances, Hill Start Control Pro, which is now more seamless and customizable, Cornering ABS Pro, with improved sensitivity on loose terrain dynamic traction control (DTC) that adjusts based on real-time lean angle data. These systems all work together to create a riding experience that's both safe and exhilarating, allowing riders to push limits without crossing dangerous lines. Comfort and ergonomics. Long-haul ready, BMW understands that adventure riders demand long-distance comfort, and the 2025 R1250GS delivers in spades. The ergonomics have been subtly revised, with a new seat contour and improved padding for both rider and pillion. BMW also offers heated seats and heated grips as standard on higher trim models. Wind protection has been upgraded with a new windscreen design, now adjustable with a smoother mechanism and better airflow deflection. It reduces helmet buffeting while still allowing plenty of ventilation on hot days. The wide handlebars, upright seating position, and intuitive foot peg placement continue to make the GS a joy to ride over long distances. Whether you're on asphalt or navigating rocky trails, fatigue sets in much later on this bike compared to others in the class. Connectivity and smart features. Beyond just riding dynamics, the 2025 R1250GS has embraced smart technology. You'll find Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, USB-C charging ports, and now even over-the-air software updates for the bike's ECU and infotainment system. There's also an optional connected ride smart glasses system, which projects navigation and key metrics like speed and gear position directly into the rider's field of vision. It's not standard, but it's an exciting glimpse at BMW's commitment to next-gen rider integration. For added security and convenience, the GS includes keyless ride, alarm system integration, and a new smart tire pressure monitoring system that not only alerts you of loss but also predicts leaks based on temperature and pressure changes. Adventure, ready accessories and packages. As always, the GS can be configured in nearly endless ways. BMW offers packages like Touring Package, with luggage racks, panniers and GPS Enduro Package, including engine guards, off-road foot pegs and bash plates and Comfort Package, featuring upgraded seats, handlebar risers and heated elements. New for 2025 is a Modular Explorer Kit, which lets you tailor protection and storage setups based on trip length and terrain type. Whether you're weekend warrior camping or planning to circle the globe, there's a GS configuration for you. Colors, trims,
and pricing. The 2025 R1250GS is available in several striking new colors,
including triple black racing red with white accents, and a special 40 years GS Anniversary Edition with retro graphics and gold wheels. BMW has also introduced a pure GS base trim, which strips the bike down to essentials for those who prefer customization or want to start with a lower price point. Prices start at $18,495 USD for the base model and climb to around $24,000 USD for the fully equipped adventure trim with all packages. Considering the level of engineering and features, it remains competitively priced in the premium ADV segment. Final thoughts. Still the benchmark? So, is the 2025 BMW R1250GS still the king of adventure motorcycles? The short answer is absolutely. BMW has once again shown that it understands what adventure riders want: a perfect balance of power, comfort, tech, and off-road capability. With refined dynamics, a sharper tech suite, and thoughtful updates that enhance real-world usability, the R1250GS continues to set the gold standard. Whether you're commuting through city streets or riding across continents, the 2025 R1250GS is the kind of machine that becomes more than a bike. It becomes a trusted companion. Outro. Stay tuned to Bike Updater Pro. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Updater Pro. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 BMW R1250GS, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a beat from the world of motorcycles. Let us know in the comments. Is the new R1250GS on your wish list? Or are you holding out for the rumored R1300GS? Until next time, ride smart, ride safe, and stay updated with Bike Updater Pro.